5 signs your testosterone is low and how to increase testosterone naturally. If you have recently felt more tired than usual, less interested in intimacy, or even felt like you are not yourself anymore, your energy is down, your body slows, and your confidence fades. The cause may not be age. It may be your male hormone, testosterone. The important thing is that many men are going through this without knowing it. They think, I am just stressed, or work is too much. In reality, their body is quietly losing one of the core factors that shape male vitality. In today's video, I will share the 5 most common low testosterone symptoms. More importantly, I will guide you on how to increase testosterone naturally, with no pills, no hormone injections, only scientific changes to your daily lifestyle. Hi, I'm Sofia Carter, a specialist in men's health, hormones, and male performance. On my channel, I share science-based and practical insights to help you understand your body, restore your energy, confidence, and natural vitality without relying on temporary or risky methods. I also want to hear from you. If you feel my explanations are too long or not focused, leave a comment below. Your feedback helps me improve and bring more value in future videos. If this video helps you understand your body better and inspires you to make a change, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Your support motivates me to keep growing this channel. Now, let's get into the main content. When testosterone starts to drop, your body does not tell you directly. It sends very small and very subtle signals that most men overlook. If you learn to spot these signals early, you can adjust and restore your hormone strength naturally. So what are the first signs your body is trying to tell you? Let's start with sign number 1. This is also the most common sign I see in more than 80% of my male patients during visits. Sign number 1. Lower libido and fewer morning erections. The first and easiest to notice sign of low testosterone is a drop in sexual desire, together with a clear decrease in the frequency of morning erections. Testosterone is the key hormone that maintains libido, sexual response, and natural erectile function in men. When testosterone drops, the brain receives weaker signals. Desire fades, and spontaneous morning responses become less frequent. Many men think this is normal as they get older. That is not always true. In men with balanced hormones and good health, morning erections still occur regularly, even in their 50s or 60s. This decrease does not only affect your sex life. It is an early sign that your endocrine system is not working efficiently. I have met many patients who say, lately I still love my wife, but the desire is not as strong as before. In the morning, I do not have the natural response like when I was younger. When we test, the results often show their testosterone has dropped by 25 to 40% from the ideal level. The good news is this can improve. When you sleep enough, lower stress, exercise consistently, and get the right nutrients, your body reactivates natural testosterone production. After a few months, most men feel their desire return, their morning energy rises, and their confidence becomes much stronger. So, if you notice less interest in intimacy and fewer regular morning erections, take that as the first signal your body is sending you. This is the time to listen and start making changes to restore testosterone naturally. When testosterone starts to fall, it does not only affect sexual desire. This hormone links to nearly every body system. It affects how you produce energy, how you think, how you focus, and your daily sense of joy and motivation. Because of that, the second sign often appears sooner than you expect. It slips into the small moments of daily life, so many people miss it. Sign number 2, fatigue, low energy, and loss of motivation. If you often feel tired even after a full night of sleep, feel flat in the morning, or struggle to focus at work, your testosterone may be below normal. Testosterone is not only the hormone of muscles or libido, it is also a primary driver of alertness, motivation, and decision-making. When testosterone drops, the brain and body lose the natural activator that makes you feel strong and engaged. Many of my patients describe this as having a battery that never charges fully. They still go to work and live normally, but they feel sluggish. They do not want to start anything new. One key mechanism is that testosterone helps regulate red blood cell production and oxygen delivery. When this hormone drops, oxygen transport to muscles and the brain decreases. You get tired faster, especially late in the day. Low testosterone also lowers dopamine, the neurotransmitter that creates feelings of reward and motivation. When dopamine falls, you feel uninspired, you cannot focus well, you delay tasks, and you lose a clear sense of purpose. I treated a 38-year-old entrepreneur who said, "I do not understand why I feel exhausted lately. In the morning, I do not want to get out of bed, even though work is fine." Testing showed his testosterone was only 60% of average. After 3 months of lifestyle changes with regular training and enough sleep, he said, "It feels like my energy was fully recharged. Mornings are alert. My mind is clearer. I work with much better focus." That is why I always tell patients, if you have persistent fatigue without a clear cause, do not rush to blame age or pressure. Check your testosterone. It may be the key to getting your energy and enthusiasm back. Low energy is not something you must accept. When testosterone is restored naturally, the feeling of strength, concentration, and initiative returns. When testosterone drops, you do not only feel tired or low on energy. This hormone directly affects how your body builds muscle and handles fat. If you notice that you eat and train as before, but your body feels softer, your waist grows, or it is harder to maintain your shape, that may be the next signal your body is sending. Sign number 3. Muscle loss and fat gain. Testosterone is crucial for maintaining lean mass and a healthy metabolism. When testosterone falls, your body slows protein synthesis while storing fat faster, especially around the abdomen and chest. This is why many men say, "I eat the same and I do not train less, but my belly keeps getting bigger and my arms and legs get smaller." This is not mainly about age. Low testosterone slows your metabolic rate. Your body burns less energy and stores more fat. Low testosterone also reduces recovery after workouts. You feel sore longer. It is harder to grow muscle even with consistent training. You feel weaker when lifting or running. If this continues, belly fat rises. Belly fat produces an enzyme that converts testosterone to estrogen. Testosterone falls further, and fat continues to rise. This creates a vicious cycle that makes your body weaker. I treated a 45-year-old man who used to be very active and loved sports. In recent years, even with regular training, he felt heavier and could not lose weight. Testing showed his testosterone was nearly 30% below normal. After 3 months of dietary changes, more protein, less refined sugar, and steady strength training, he reduced abdominal fat and gained almost 2 kilograms of lean muscle. This shows that testosterone helps men keep their shape, strength, and stable metabolism. So, if your body feels softer, muscle is down, and belly fat rises even with the same habits, do not just blame age. This may be the third sign that your testosterone is dropping significantly. As the body changes, not only your appearance is affected, your mood and emotions also become less stable. Many men do not realize that testosterone does not only control muscles or desire, it strongly influences the brain, the mind, and emotions. That is why the fourth sign of low testosterone often does not sit in the body. It appears in how you experience the world. Sign number 4, mood swings, irritability, and poor concentration. If you find yourself getting angry more easily, losing patience with small things, or feeling foggy and unable to focus, this can be a sign of falling testosterone. Testosterone affects neurotransmitters in the brain, especially serotonin and dopamine. These help you feel calm, focused, and inspired. When testosterone drops, these chemicals become imbalanced. You may feel anxious, tense, low, or irritable without a clear reason. I have a 41-year-old patient who is very successful at work. For about a year, he often felt frustrated, slept poorly, and his mood was unstable. He said, "I do not understand why. Some days nothing serious happens, but I still feel annoyed and do not want to talk to anyone." Testing showed his testosterone was 30% below normal. After improving sleep, reducing alcohol, and doing short, consistent daily workouts, within 8 weeks he felt more stable, less irritable, and he slept deeper. This is clear evidence that testosterone strongly affects mood and confidence. When this hormone is sufficient, you feel calm, focused, energetic, and in control of your emotions. When it falls, you feel uneasy, mentally tired, and you lose drive. Do not ignore this sign. If your mood shifts often, your relationships, work, and even physical health will be affected. If you feel more irritable, less focused, or less interested in what you once enjoyed, consider that your testosterone may be dropping. You can improve this by resetting sleep, nutrition, exercise, and stress control. After mood changes begin, many men notice that their bodies do not respond well anymore. They still train and they still eat carefully, but progress stalls. This is the stage where low testosterone clearly affects recovery, muscle building, and fat loss. This is the fifth sign you must pay special attention to. Sign number 5, hard to gain muscle or lose weight despite effort. Do you ever feel you train very hard and eat properly, but your body does not change? Muscle does not grow, fat does not drop. You even feel weaker and recover more slowly after workouts. This is a typical sign of low testosterone. Testosterone plays a key role in protein synthesis and energy metabolism. When it drops, muscle building slows, your body burns fewer calories, and fat accumulates faster, especially around the belly. Testosterone also helps your body respond to training. With the same workout, a man with normal testosterone will build muscle and lose fat faster than a man with low testosterone. I have a 39-year-old patient who trained at the gym 5 times a week and ate very clean, yet he still could not gain muscle. Testing showed his testosterone was 35% below ideal. After 10 weeks of better sleep, lower stress, and adequate intake of healthy fats and zinc, his testosterone rose. He gained visible lean mass and lost nearly 4 kilograms of fat with no change to his training plan. This shows testosterone affects sexual health and also controls fat burning and recovery after exercise. When this hormone falls, the body shifts into an energy-saving mode. It stores fat instead of burning it, and it breaks down muscle to cover energy gaps. If you train hard and see no results, it is not because you lack effort. Your body may simply lack the testosterone needed to respond to that effort. This is the fifth and final sign in the recognition group for low testosterone. Spotting these changes early is the first step to restoring your natural hormones and reclaiming your energy, strength, and confidence. So, what causes low testosterone? After you recognize the 5 warning signs, the next step is to understand why testosterone drops. In most cases, low testosterone does not come from a serious disease. It comes from daily lifestyle and habits. A man's body produces testosterone naturally in the testes, under the control of the brain. When any link in this system is disrupted, hormone production slows. There are 5 main factors that cause this. 1. Lack of sleep and poor quality sleep. Sleep is when your body recovers and produces most of its testosterone. If you sleep less than 6 hours a night, testosterone can drop by 10 to 15% in just 1 week. Lack of sleep disrupts your circadian rhythm. Your body does not have enough time to regenerate cells, produce hormones, and balance energy. So, going to bed on time and keeping your room dark and quiet is the simplest way to protect natural testosterone. 2. Chronic stress. Stress raises cortisol. Cortisol is a direct enemy of testosterone. When stress lasts, your body prioritizes cortisol for survival, instead of making testosterone. You feel tired, you sleep poorly, you get irritable, and your libido drops. Only when you learn to manage stress can testosterone rise again. 3. Low activity and long sitting time. Modern men sit more than 8 hours a day on average. When you move less, blood flow to the testes and muscles decreases, which slows testosterone production. Your body needs movement to activate the nervous system, increase oxygen delivery, and keep hormones balanced. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking daily, or weight training 3 to 4 days a week, can raise natural testosterone significantly. 4. Poor nutrition in healthy fats and minerals. Testosterone is synthesized from healthy cholesterol, HDL. If you over-restrict calories, avoid all fats, or lack zinc, your body lacks the raw materials to produce hormones. Studies show that men who get enough healthy fats such as avocado, salmon, eggs, and walnuts, and zinc from oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds have higher testosterone levels. You do not eat only to feel full, you eat to nourish your hormone system. 5. Alcohol, smoking, and belly fat. Alcohol and tobacco directly affect the testes and reduce testosterone production. Belly fat is also a factory for estrogen, the female hormone, because fat tissue has aromatase that converts testosterone to estrogen. The more belly fat you have, the more testosterone falls. So, losing weight is not only about appearance, it is a key step to restore male hormone balance. As you can see, testosterone does not drop at random. It reflects your lifestyle and daily choices. The good news is this: because the causes come from habits, you can reverse the problem. When you sleep enough, move regularly, eat correctly, and manage stress, your body will reactivate testosterone production in a natural and safe way. In the next part, I will guide you through the 5 most effective ways to increase testosterone naturally. These are supported by research and by real clinical experience. 5 ways to increase testosterone naturally. Once you understand why testosterone falls, you can help your body restore this hormone naturally. There are 5 core principles that I teach my patients. First, sleep enough and prioritize deep sleep, because most testosterone is produced while you sleep. Second, train consistently, especially with weight training and HIIT. These stimulate testosterone production and lower fat. Third, eat a balanced diet with enough healthy fats, protein, and key nutrients like zinc and vitamin D to nourish your hormone system. Fourth, manage stress, because the stress hormone cortisol can shut down testosterone production. Fifth, maintain a healthy weight, because excess belly fat will significantly lower your natural testosterone. These are foundation principles. If you apply them correctly, after a few weeks your body will change clearly. You will feel more energy, a more stable mood, and your libido will return naturally. In the next video, I will break down each factor. You will see exactly how each habit affects testosterone and the most effective ways to apply them safely for faster results. If today's content is helpful, leave a comment below and tell me which topic you want me to cover in more detail: sleep, training, or nutrition. Your ideas help me build more precise content for future videos. If you want a deeper understanding of how to increase testosterone naturally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next videos. I am Sofia Carter. Thank you for spending your time with me. Please take care of your health. Hormones do not only affect the body, they also shape your daily energy and your inner strength. I will see you in the next video, where I will guide you step by step to increase testosterone naturally, safely, and sustainably.